yes, sumo.
Yes, mama, ready.
And you may yakin cancer, no. Your my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may yakin cancer, no. You better free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe! Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here, China, Hebrews.
Hey! Madam!
Ajenkwani, Tina Tet Hayan Herbal Capsule, a drawing Tina per what to send me. Me ready, I mention glasses. Oh, Brody Bessie, see clear.
No crow. Kinaata Hayan Herbal Capsules, a full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing baby atwa for Tina Tet Herbal Shop. Hey, now what? Kinaata Hayan.
See clear.
Kinaata drawing FDA ahwehwem agye atum se eje.
Adeshabai Maya Mamu Aqua by the Bajegana TV so bread do sesam hoodwa ya bwabwano yede ebe so mokasi ebo kwansu way kasi boti watch me live our YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So any day you can watch me subscribe like it. Na share ma wonu bi o baby so entimi enhwebi. Mi amaje bre America se boyi ebe so mo me. That's hima ajoa. Nati afeyem free kasi bono ase. Na every 2019 na ebeto dwase eye Ahuofe Patri ene onyumtuni kwabena twempene mu odin ene ye kan ya besi 2021 na trend afi nso amanfo gusu keka se Ahuofe Patri ene onyumtuni kwabena twempene mu odin. Nano na Ahuofe Patri ekopie mu ewo United Showbiz ewo UTV na emu no wotre mu se enya ade a eye nokure sa asam keka na ekoso every 2019 agana fo wotre se one eye kwabena twempena no osi nokure bia enim na sei na wotre ninsemu esifaye.
No. So I saw her in the mix with Kwabena sometime. I don't know if and Suka. I don't know if they were doing skits at the time or they were doing, you know what I'm saying. I mean, I'm sorry I brought that up, but I'm
sure you're not sorry. I like that.
you know. So I mean, or be like me penas and pass. So you know.
No. What about that?
Oh, I'm saying, sir.
What? No. What about that?
Oh,
I can vote. Say na Kwabena ne whatever so called we were following. You know?
So no, I'm not majoring. Say Kwabena was being introduced into the movie space. You know, so that's what I thought. But later on, in several doors or so.
Yeah, no. Did you see Kwabena acting or doing anything?
Oh no, but I saw them like together.
Yeah.
No, not as in like physically, but in
spiritually.
Oh, there be some videos.
Did you attempt or try say pushy Kwabena ever into acting anymore now?
I don't even know him like that.
Hey. So how do you know him?
You know, the whole thing was a surprise to me and everybody. It was news to me too because I don't know where all that came from.
Oh, then I was dreaming.
You saw pictures of them on social media.
Also, I think I'm not the only one.
What did you see?
I'm not the only one.
No, of course, there were rumors, speculations. There were,
but there were no footages and pictures.
Nothing.
Wow, then I created all that in my head.
I think it's just stories online. Say, ni Kwabena finger. We've seen a lot of stories. We've even seen a lot of interviews. Yeah, bisa omotu ni na say. You know, there's been a lot of speculations online, and they all Google to see
they were at the same location. Yeah.
A viewer is also concerned about this allegation also on social media for some time about you and Kwabena. Waka say na unim no krampa unim no to say any ordinary way and they are saying say it is not a fair comment. And you know,
allow the host to
viewers comment.
Mobile attack viewers and also.
Allow the man to
viewers and so we buy will be able to question when you say no and then they offer send the woeful watch it until Ahuofe Patri. And then I'll be changing.
Me wafa baby I will be a mechiao.
Yeah. Mechiao when they offer.
Me answer ma
oh budo waiting.
Oh, my God.
Not just starting off with what can you know?
Exactly.
Or say, come now,
I mean, also, it baffles me, since I came into the spotlight, there are other celebrities that I have been linked to, Calibers, other people. I don't know why, and people don't want to believe. Yeah, it's nothing, really. It's nothing. I'm done.
So you say, and I say, private, who dated Kakra?
That's not a fair question.
That's never dated him, please. I wouldn't even call us friends.
Hey,
but one supporting brand in any way.
How?
You are not friends?
Didn't
I
he
think
support
we
your
have, diverted from the reason why we are here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, and discuss it. We a viewer or they say, remarks are passing when they brought Kwabena's issue in, how you brush it away. And they said, you cast Kwabena as an ordinary.
Also, no, onion packets were okay, Mr. So, baby, I feel like I've also worked hard. I feel like it's not fair to our brands that we keep break. It's not fair because yet how we have other issues to discuss, and then Obis baby ordering when you keep. No, that's not fair.
Not fair.
Yeah.
I respect that.
Yes, I agree.
With the FDA regulations.
I've always maintained that celeb no entertain and bet now how be some questions are and by force. He or she chooses to answer or not. Won't me pushing? Oh, your job is to ask the questions.
Sure.
It's what they wire with Juma.
Right.
Also feel said
she doesn't want to
she's
answer.
not in the mood or she
I
feels
answered.
Na chese Ghana fo amoke kasa no o say mo akebi eye na no kura bia enim na no na Ghana fo bi kire mu say e bia broken heart bi na ache no Kwabena show no enu nti na wode kasa na enya ade a de o ka ne de wo mujitu mu kura Ghana fo bi kire say wo hwe every 2019 we share pictures bi a sinitwani Ahuofe Patri de beto odwa na we share pictures bi a Kwabena so de beto odwa e ka me agoye say ade se wo mko out wo motefa ko enne Ahuofe Patri aba be kirikiri mu o se nya ade a no kra bia egwom o se wonim ne keke wonim ne seni nua wonim ne sanadamfo keke na empna twe mu o de inside the Ghana for AC Canada enya ade a no kra bi egwom Ebusia ha na brama kwan ema yede kasebo no ABC mi a meje bre America kasebo yi ebesomo eyeme da chehima ajowa nati asada kese enkoma glitter and glow skin care Kinaata herbal na Janelle organic foods omoni nyumeku asoma sene abama mitumedi kasebo yi ebesomo de di ho enkoma production crew wa woje brand so a wo hwe men so medasi papa badasenne yebese share.
Sorry. Oh, Doc. Yes, and you walk, Doc.
I want to know it. No, that's why she I've said, "Do you turn your man? No, see the young cook. So your stomach was up. Said the young heartburn. So I said, "Become." And then crying. Meaning, said if you be forcing, I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Kinaata tomac and Kinaata malake. Fama no nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at tomac. I'm on my free.
Kinaata malake eyema obi a wanya malaria fever na Kinaata tomac mixture eyema obi a wanya indigestion ye nhwehwemu hu so wanya malaria and sign na wafa adroi not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.